Okay, so student, we will continue with chapter number 3. We have in the previous session we have done till passing argument by reference. Okay, so we'll continue after that. So basically, student, passing argument by reference, as I said in the previous session, it is done by ampersand operator. Quickly we will see one example of this. Okay, we have just opened your PHP tag. Under this we have taken a function with the keyword function and the name of function, that is add_5. Now in this we have given reference. As I said, that the reference is basically done with ampersand operator. So you can see ampersand and we have taken value, that is $value. $value plus equal to 5. $num equal to 2. Calling of function, that is add_5, and $num, that is value of $num, that is 2, echo $num. So basically it will give you output, that is $value plus equal to 5. So basically, students, we are giving reference of $value for your variable to $num. So the output we will get, that is 2 plus 5 equal to 7. After that, the last topic of chapter number 3, that is PHP inbuilt function. As in the starting of the session we have seen, there are two types of function: built-in function and predefined function, and function user defined function. So we have already done with user defined function. Now the last part of this chapter is nothing but built-in function. So student, what is basically built-in functions? Built-in functions are the functions that are already declared, that are already designed by the PHP developer. While designing this programming language, the functions that are already predefined, that are already inbuilt, that are nothing but your PHP inbuilt function. Okay, PHP has over 1000 built-in function that can be directly called from within a script to perform a specific task. So basically there are more than 1000 built-in functions of PHP that are already declared, that are already defined. Okay, so we will just see some few example of this function. Okay, now you can see, student, basically just I have taken 10 example of PHP inbuilt function. First one is count. Okay, now this all the functions we will do in practical session, as there are different types of practical slips. In that practical slips we have to include some predefined or inbuilt function. So one by one we will see that in practical session. But right now I have just taken 10 examples of built-in function, as you can see on the screen. First one is count. Okay, now what is count? Count is nothing but it will count the total number of values that are present. For example, if I pass 5 value, so it will count, this function will count the number of value present in a string. For example, I write one string, that is my name is Samad Khan. So it will count the number of letters, it will count the number of words that are present. So basically count predefined function, inbuilt function, is used to count the number of values present in a string. Second one, echo. As we have already studied echo, what is purpose of echo? Basically echo is used to print anything. Okay, it is same like your printf that you have used in your C programming language. Okay, so echo is same like printf, it is used to print whatever you want to print on the screen. Third one, empty. Empty function, it will just check whether the function is whether the string is getting any value, or it is null, or we have taken something, that is empty function. Exit, it will exit from your current function, from your current program, it will exit by using exit function. Print_r, again there is one option of echo, that is print_r. when you are using arrays, or when you are using different advanced PHP function, that time you can use print_r. it is same like echo. String_replace, it will replace the string. For example, if I am writing my name is Samad, and if I'm using string_replace function, and in bracket I am passing Samad comma ABC, so it will replace my name with ABC. First will be your name that you have to replace, and second is nothing but what you have to replace. So basically string replace will replace the string whatever you want to replace. Next one is string underscore length. that will give you the length of the string. It will calculate how many letters are there, how many words are there. It will count the length of the string. Next one we have array. Array we have already studied. Array function, basically there are three types of array. We have seen index array, associative array and multi-dimensional array. Okay student, these are few examples that I have taken. There are many examples that we will see in your practical session one by one. Next one we have array underscore merge. Array underscore merge, it will be combining the two array. For example, I have taken two array in my program. When I am using this function, that is array underscore merge, it will combine the two array that we have taken. Okay, for example, I declare array 1 as ABC PQR. Second array I have taken XYZ and KLM. So when I am using this function array underscore merge, it will combine the values of both the array, that is ABC XYZ, and the second one we have taken, that is LMN and PQR. It will combine both the arrays and it will give the output all the four values at once. Next one we have, that is file. Basically we upload any file, we create any file. So there are many functions, inbuilt function for file, but right now I've taken only one as an example, that is file. So there are many files function. In file function you have attribute also, that is read, write, open, read, write only, append, close. There are many attributes for file function. So students, just I have taken few examples of PHP inbuilt function, and the remaining one that are there that we will see in your practical session. As we do the practical slips, there are different types of practical slips. In that we have to use different PHP inbuilt function. So student, this is the end of chapter number 3. Today we have just seen, in this session we have seen passing argument by reference, an example of this, and we have seen basically what is PHP inbuilt functions, and we have just seen the different PHP examples of PHP inbuilt function. Okay, so student, we will just wind up the session right now. This is the end of chapter number 3. Thank you.